Hi guys! Samahan niyo kami mag-lunch sa akong best friend. Tanawa na siya guys. Oh. Happy kayo siya. Happy kayo siya guys.
Pwede mo hilak? Pwede mo hilak?
Pwede, Bi. Hilak lang, Bi.
No need. No more tears.
Diba?
No more high blood. Just enjoy life. Be happy always.
Yes.
Always be happy and be active. Be healthy. And always be in love.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Hilak ka rin.
Dili man, dili. Bye.
Some lunch.
Bye. God bless.
Wala ni magpalong. Wala.